Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and if you can help them find leads, you're in demand. As a lead generator, you'll research and provide contact information for potential clients. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services. To stand out, focus on delivering high-quality leads and building relationships with clients. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Next is product photography. Every e-commerce store needs high-quality images to showcase their products. If you have an eye for detail and enjoy photography, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of lighting, composition, and editing. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per photo shoot, depending on the number of products. To stand out, focus on creating clean and professional images. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to e-commerce sellers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Third is copywriting. Every business needs compelling words to sell their products or services, and that's where you come in. As a copywriter, you'll craft persuasive content like ads, emails, and website copy that drives sales. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's audience and delivering results-driven content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by pitching directly to businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Fourth is business card design. Every professional needs a memorable business card to make a great first impression. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about transcription. If you have good listening skills and a knack for typing, this skill is perfect for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll convert audio files into written text for clients like podcasters, researchers, and businesses. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $15 to $30 per hour for transcription services. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and timely work. You can find jobs on platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose lead generation, product photography, copywriting, business card design, or transcription, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.